On our screen today, we have by what percent is the area of a circle increased if the radius is doubled? Now, is it a simple question? No, it is not. Let's try to look at something. Now, watch out. If I ask you to increase 20 naira by 10%, now, how do you solve this thing? You have two ways to solve, but let me try to use one to make this video short. Now, increasing 20 naira by 10%, you ask yourself, what is 10% of 10% of 20 naira? Now, this is 10 over 100, right? Times 20 over 1. Cancel 0, cancel 0, cancel 0, cancel 0. So I'm getting 2, right? Now, this 2 naira that we've gotten, add it to 20 naira. 20 plus 2 naira, what will it give you? 22 naira. Now, it means that if you increase 20 naira by 10%, you get 22 naira. Does it make sense? Now, watch out. What if a question comes like this? By what percent is 20 naira increased if by what percent is 20 naira increased to get what? 22 naira. Now, by what percent is what? 20 naira increased. By what percent? Let the percentage be X percent to give us what? 22 naira. Does it make sense? Now, watch out. What did I do here? I did earlier that I did something like 10 over 100 times 20 gave me 2, right? Then I added plus 20, right? Now gave me the original money. Now, for me to solve this one that is in this way, what will I have to do? I have to do x over 100. Now, that's 10 over 100, whereby I know that the answer is going to be 10. But I've removed this 10. I replace it with x. Now, x over 100 times their 20 plus what? 20 will give me 22. Do you understand? This was what I did originally. I did 10 over 100 times 20. It gave me 2. Then I added 20. Then finally, I got 22, right? Now, you've seen that if I solve this thing, I will still get 10. Does it make sense? Now, the question we are having said, by what percent is the area of a circle increased if the radius is doubled? Now, initially, if you watch this question that I asked earlier, I'm having the first value, V1, and last, I got the second value, V2. Now, it means that whenever you ask this kind of question, you have the initial value and the final value. Now, I have the area of a circle, that's A1, the initial area of that circle, is given by pi r squared, as we all know. Does it make sense? Now, what will be the new area when this radius has been doubled? So it will be equals pi. Now, will it be r? No. When r is doubled, it becomes 2r. That's 2r all squared. So I'm having that the new area is equals pi. What's 2 squared? It is 4. What's r squared? It is say r squared. So the new area, I've gotten that the new area is 4 pi r squared. I hope you are still following. So I'll be considering 1, 2. Now, this question that is on our screen, I can read it as, by what percent is pi r squared increased to give us 4 pi r squared? Are you there? Now, by what percent? That percentage, let me call it y over 100. From what I did there, times what? Times the initial, which is the 20. That's times the pi r squared, which is the first area, right? Plus what? Now, plus 20, right? That's the initial again. That's plus pi r squared. Now will give us the final, which is, now my final is what? 4 pi r squared. Please make sure you understand what I'm saying. Now here I'm having, this times this, I'm having y pi r squared, right? Over 100 plus pi r squared is equals 4 pi r squared. Now, we all know that this is over 1. Now, for me to solve fast, I have to clear fractions. What's the LCM of 100, 1? It is 100. I'll multiply each and every one of the terms by 100 times 100. Cancel, cancel. So this will give me 1. 1 times y pi r squared will give me y pi r squared. Now plus 100 times pi r squared will give me 100 pi r squared is equals 100 times 4 pi r squared will give me 400 pi r squared. Now, what are the like terms? This and this? No. This is having y, this is not having y. So look at the like terms, 1, 2, because they're having pi r squared. So I'll collect like terms. This should go over here. So I'm having y pi r squared is equals 400 pi r squared. This coming over will be minus 100 what? Pi r squared. Are you there? So I'm having y pi r squared is equals, this minus this will give me 300 pi r squared. So I'm having pi r squared here, pi r squared here. If I divide both sides by pi r squared over what? Pi r squared, this will cancel this will cancel this. So it means that y is equals 300 what? Percent. Now it means that the area of a circle is increased by 300 what percent when the radius is what doubled. Please have a nice day. Like, comment, share, and follow Courses Academy. Bye bye.